Welcome back. Deputy Collector of Ponda has temporarily resolved the crisis erupted at Kurti Khandepar garbage treatment plant. People residing in the vicinity of the plant were undergoing a traumatic situation due to horsefly menace. This was a result of garbage drying activity carried out in the plant. Punch members, Ponda Municipality and Deputy Collector met over this issue. Deputy Collector has called for an alternate site proposed by the locals themselves to eliminate this menace.
The village panchayat of Kurti Khandepar as well as the Ponda Municipal Council have agreed to certain terms, in the sense like, first and foremost, it has been decided to tackle the menace of houseflies, and only then the issue of the other future course of action of scientifically disposing of waste generated through the help of board of reservations will be taken up by the municipality. We have also told people and the village panchayat of Kurti Khandepar to tell us the places where they require the pesticide to be used, so that by far and large, at the site which I visited in the morning, this morning, I have not seen any mosquitoes to the magnitude what was there in the past, but now it has been considerably reduced. And we have told panchayat people to tell us the places where they require this pesticide to be used. Based on that, the housefly menace will be reduced, or rather eradicated, and only then we will go ahead with the place being used for drying of manure.
There is an urgent need of police protection and video filming during Gram Sabhas. This is a demand by Sange MLA Subhash Faldesai. About 7 sarpanch from 11 panchayats in Kepe handed over a memorandum to Kunkolim police. Sarpanchs have condemned the attack on Bhamtu Villip. 3 people had attacked Deputy Sarpanch Bhamtu on Sunday during Gram Sabha.
सम्राट महेंद्रुल्ला तो काही काम करता पळय तो प्रायमरी स्कूलान काम करता. केपे मतदारसंघातले तशेंच केपे तालुक्यांतले सगळे सरपंच, डेप्युटी सरपंच आनी पंचायत मेंबर आयज तांणी एक डेलिगेशन घेवन PI राजू रावता कडेन डिस्कशन केल्लें आसा एज रिगार्ड्स टू ग्रामसभे भितर बाळ्ळे अडणे ग्रामसभा पयर आयताराक जाली. त्या ग्रामसभे भितर कांय भुरग्यांनी अटॅक केलो डेप्युटी सरपंचाचेर भामटू वेळीप आनी ताका सिरियसली इंजर्ड केलो आनी तो अनकॉन्शियस जावन पडलो आनी ताका हॉस्पिटलान शिफ्ट करचो पडलो. आनी ताचे नंतर ह्या सगळ्या ग्रामस्थां मदीं आनी पंचायत मेंबरां मदीं सरपंचा मदीं एक भितीचें वातावरण निर्माण जाल्लें की तांचेर एक्शन कांयच जायना. आनी तांकां 2 जाणांक अरेस्ट केले, 3 जाणां पैकी, आनी तो मेन एक्यूज आशिल्लो जाणें ताचेर मुठी मारल्यो आनी थापट मारून ताका बेशुद्ध उडयलो. तो आजून पर्यंत जायना. तो महेंद्र वेळीप म्हणटा एक गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट जावनय आजून ताजे अरेस्ट जायना, ही एक खेदाची गोष्ट आसा. आनी आयज ताजो एंटिसिपेटरी बेल आसा म्हणून पोलीस कांय एक्शन घेवपाक शकनात. सभा घेवप हें एक आमचें दुर्भाग्य जावन आसा, पूण तरी आसतना ताका उपाय ना. ताजे व्हिडिओ रिकॉर्डिंगय जावचें आनी ताजे बरोबर ताका पोलीस सुरक्षाय प्राप्त जावची, अशें कांय तरी करचें पडटलें.
Parents Rajesh and Nupur Talwar have been sentenced to life imprisonment for killing their daughter Arushi and domestic help Hemraj. Ghaziabad court gave its verdict on Tuesday. The counsel of the Talwar couple informed that they would appeal in a higher court against the ruling.
Rajesh and Nupur Talwar were sentenced to life imprisonment for killing their daughter Arushi and domestic help Hemraj. The quantum is as under. The Talwars have been awarded life imprisonment under IPC section 302, 5 years for both under IPC section 201 and 1 year for Rajesh Talwar under section 203.
देखिए जज साहब ने आते ही जो उनका आदेश था जज साहब का उसको पढ़ करके सुनाया, और जज साहब ने कहा कि सेक्शन 302 के मामले में लाइफ इम्प्रिजमेंट दोनों के लिए, और सेक्शन 201 के मामले में 5 ईयर का इम्प्रिजमेंट दोनों के लिए, और सेक्शन 203 के मामले में राजेश तलवार के लिए 1 ईयर का इम्प्रिजमेंट, ये कोर्ट ने अपना ऑर्डर दिया है. उनके जो रिएक्शन थे वो बिल्कुल पछतावे के भाव थे उनके चेहरे पर, ठीक है. पछतावे के भाव थे उनके चेहरे पर, वो साफ नजर आ रहे थे। और बाकी जो सीबीआई टीम थी वो पूरी खुश थी। हम लोग जो भी थे इस केस से जुड़े, हम भी खुश थे इस फैसले से।
The conviction of Talwar couple in Arushi Hemraj murder case on Monday brought closure to a trial that had the nation transfixed. The verdict came after 15-month-long trial and 2 adjournments since Monday morning. Earlier, the CBI had sought death penalty for Rajesh and Nupur Talwar, who have been found guilty of murdering their own daughter, Arushi, and their domestic help in May 2008. The counsel of Talwar couple informed that they would appeal in a higher court against the ruling. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.